Hi friends, this is Naveen Kumar. I welcome you all to my channel, The Disciplined Trader. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks for tomorrow, and the date will be 11th January 2021. So, let's start the video. The first stock I'm going to recommend you people is TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. TCS, if you observe the price action, the stock was moving in this upward channel, right? From couple of days, it was moving in an upward channel, moving in this upward channel. So we had a breakout, pullback. Now it is continuing its upward direction, that is bullish direction. So as the price action states, it is in the upward bullish direction. So we are trading this on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. Simple strategy. The upward channel has given breakout. The price are retested the same, retested the channel, and it is continuing its upward direction now. Apart from this, we have an additional fundamental reason, that is, we got the quarterly results on 8th January. So the result is also positive. If you observe this, estimated was 22.40 and the outcome was 22.71, means there is a surprise of 0.31% or 1.38%, means the fundamental news is also positive and the price action is also positive. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find the stock playing above 8th January's high, that is high was 3128 on 8th January. So let's make it a round figure and make it a 3130. So if you find the stock trading above this level, 3130 level, we are trading this on the buy side. We have minor resistance over here. I mean, previously it was a resistance. See, the stock rejected from this point. Same way it has taken support now, and it is continuing its upward direction. So previous resistance will become current support, right? This resistance was taken off. Now it is taking support at the same point. So we have multiple confirmation, price action, fundamental news, and in in smaller time frame, that is in 15 minutes time frame, we have a minor support level. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find the stock playing above 3130, we are trading this on the buy side. So averagely it moves around in a daily time frame. If you observe, in an average, it will give a momentum of around 50 plus points movement it will give. In intraday, if you get 30 plus points is also enough, right? Intraday players, if we get 1:2 is better enough. If we get 1:3, it is good than enough, right? So simple strategy, we have an upward channel breakout, retest and pull back. Breakout, pull back. Now it has to continue its upward direction. So that is the reason behind picking this stock. The next stock is Asian Paints. Asian Paints is in an upward, it is in bullish trend from couple of days, right? So trend is bullish. If you observe these two candles, 6th and 7th January candle, So sixth was an indecisive candle, spinning top. Seventh is in shooting star. Shooting star. Shooting star means it is a trend reversal candle from bullish to bearish, right? So according to this candle, the stock should have fallen till here, but instead of that, bulls came into force, and they dominated this bearish candle. Means the bullish momentum is still inactive in this stock. See, after this one indecisive candle and bearish candle, the bulls came into force and dominated these two candles. So as these two candles were dominated, we are trading this on the buy side by considering that confirmation. So if you observe the price action in 1 hour time frame, we have this minor trend line, 1 hour trend line. The stock was getting rejected from this point, right? It is respecting this trend line. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find breakout on this, if you find the stock playing above 8 January's high, that is about 2850, we are trading this on the buy side. I am expecting move something like this. So once after the breakout, do wait for the good candlestick confirmation. Only after the good candlestick confirmation, we are supposed to enter in this trade, because as an intraday player, candlestick confirmation is very important for us. Simple strategy: after a bullish momentum, we had a pause over here. So after the pause, bullish momentum is still active, and it is and the price is controlled by the bulls. So we are trading this on the buy side. The next stock is HDFC Asset Management. Same strategy as we applied in TCS. So let's check the price action with higher high and higher low, that is Dow theory. So let me consider from this point itself. So this is an low, right? From low to high, from high to low, that is higher than this low, that is higher means higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it is about to cross this swing point. This is the previous swing point, right? After this higher low, we got an higher high. This is the swing point, key point, which looks like it is about to give the breakout in tomorrow's trading session. So price action is stating that it is about to break this level. So if you check the high of this candle, previous swing point candle, it is 3138.95, that is 31, let's make it a round figure of 3140, and 8 January's high is 3145. So 5 points difference. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find this stock playing above this level, that is about 3145, we are trading this on the buy side. For entry and exit levels, I will be updating in my Telegram channel. So as an intraday player, we should wait for the good candlestick confirmation, right? So once after I get the good candlestick confirmation, I will be updating in my Telegram channel with entry and stop loss. So make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel to utilize those opportunity. So simple strategy, price action is in uptrend. So this is the previous swing point. 6 January high candle is the previous swing point. So once after we see the stock trading above 8 January high, it is Friday session high, we are trading this on the buy side. The next stock is Power Grid. Power Grid this was the channel, right? Bearish channel. It is downward channel. It has given breakout now. So once after the breakout, we had an shooting star candle, which is currently taken off by the bulls. Means the buyers were dominating. As the same strategy which was implied in Asian Paints, the same strategy is applied over here. So this candle is a shooting star candle, which is an trend reversal candle from bullish to bearish. So once after this candle, we didn't have a follow-up candle. Instead of that, we had an bullish candle which has engulfed this previous candle, that is 7 January candle. Means this candle is taken off by 8 January candle, means the buyers are dominating over here. So that is the reason behind picking the stock. So if you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, from low to high, higher low, higher high, means this is the current swing point, right? Let me explain you in big chart. Low, high, higher low, higher high. So as per price action, this is the current swing point, which is about to break. So I am expecting a move something like this. So in tomorrow's trading session, if we find the stock playing above 2305, 2305, 23, let's make it 2304, sorry 203. So if we find the stock playing about 203 to 204, we are trading this on the buy side. Simple strategy, the channel has given breakout. So after the breakout, we had an shooting star. So this didn't make a price movement to move on the sell side. Instead of that, buyers came into force and closed above this candle. So if we find the stock playing above 204, we are trading this on the buy side. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade tomorrow. All these stocks are I have predicted on the buy side. So apart from these stocks, I have watch listed some of the other stocks too. Let me show you. I have watch listed HDFC Bank. See, we have indecisive candle. So in which side the breakout happens, we can trade on the that side. If the breakout was on the upside, we can trade on the buy side. If it gives breakdown, we are trading this on the sell side. I have marked Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tata Consumer, likewise I have marked some of the other stocks which I will be tracking from my side. So if I find any good opportunity in those, I'll be updating in my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel to utilize those opportunity. Hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So if you like the analysis, if you like those analysis behind those stocks, do like, comment, and share with your friends community, and don't forget to subscribe my Telegram channel. Thank you.